Unit 3, Part 1, Animals. Alligator, crocodile, bat, bear, beaver, bee, so it stings you and then you flick it away, bird, bug or insect, bull, the Y, bull, butterfly, cat, cheetah, chicken, cow, crab, deer, dog, dolphin, donkey, duck, it has two, duck, eagle, elephant, fish, flamingo, fox, frog, looks like a 12 under your chin, frog, giraffe with a C, giraffe, goat, S on your chin to V on your forehead, S, V, goat, so it goes goat, goose with your whole hand, gorilla, hippo, horse, kangaroo, lion, over your head like this, lion, llama, feels like this, llama, monkey, moose, so it goes out like that's moose, octopus, opossum, so your pinkies, this is your dominant hand, owl, panda, bear, penguin, pig, it's like this, bends, rabbit or bunny, rabbit, bunny, raccoon, rhino or pinky, rooster with a 3 on your forehead, scorpion, sea turtle, so hands over each other, and then your thumbs are like its arms, sea turtle, seal, shark, shrimp, snail, snake, squid or jellyfish, goes like this, so it's like push, okay, and the sign is the same, squid, jellyfish, squirrel, double X's, Tiger for its stripes, tiger. Turkey with a G underneath here, turkey. Turtle, whale, this is its tail, whale, okay, with a Y, and wolf, wolf. Now, the descriptions. Let me move this. I think it should be okay. All right. Big or large. Don't forget cha. Small. Don't forget the ooh, ooh, ooh. Fluffy. Squishy. Skinny. Tall. Fat. Short. Cute. Funny. Awkward. Buck teeth. Fangs. Big eyes. Dangerous. So 2 A10s. Dangerous. Friendly. So kind of jazz hands. Friendly. Calm or chill. 5s. Scary. Furry with G. Furry. And then hairy with fingers. Hairy. V's. Shed. Fly. Strong. Fast. Slow. Carnivore is eats meat. Herbivore, it eats plants. And weak.